Let's say you want to remodel your house. Go crazy, knock the walls out, new kitchen, living area. Well, most people think they only have two options. You either grab a hammer and figure it out yourself, or you hire a general contractor and you let them do it for you. But there's actually a third option. And for more information on that, I'm going to talk with Frank Shelton, our resident home improvement remodel expert. All right, Frank, so somebody wants to blow out the walls, do something crazy on a remodel. I know, generally speaking, you get two options. You either do it yourself, which can probably be a little bit dangerous, not necessarily the best option, or you hire a general contractor, but you build it somewhere right in the middle. So where do you guys fit in?
Well, so we bring the experience of having a general contractor to the table, and but we put all the power really into our clients' hands and to let them have control of their project. We provide the experience, have all the resources for them, and we give them a plan, really a day-to-day checklist that they follow that tells them what's the next steps. And then we come along beside them and check and make sure everything's going like it needs to. Depending on the size of the project, it may be as many as 25 or 30 times, or it could be as little as 5 or 10.
What's the first step when they're working with you? What's the first step in doing a remodel? You just start taking out walls, or what do you do?
No, we really like to start with a good plan, and it's so important for so many different reasons. The biggest one is getting all your thoughts, down on paper and having some organization to that, and then we use them to bid the project. So everybody knows what they're bidding, everybody knows what they need to bring to the project, and then now with cities, it's hard to do a major remodel without having a plan, because the city wants to know what you need to do. So that's an important piece as well. But there's also things like wind bracing, energy codes that need to be followed, and a good set of plans will have all that information for you.
And so once people get started with it, can this be kind of overwhelming for people, or how does the system work as far as putting people at ease with the process?
Right. So we really, we have a system plan for everything, and so we really like to start with the budget. Even the biggest budgets, it's still a budget, right? And so we want to know what the budget is, so we can help you maximize that. And so the way our program is designed, we don't make anything off of how much you spend. So it doesn't matter from us from how much money we make standpoint, but it matters all about giving you the proper advice, being able to tell you exactly what you can do and how to get the most out of that. And so we start with that, and then we start working on plans and what you're going to need specifically to your remodel. So we kind of tailor make our program to fit, because everybody's remodel is just a little bit different.
And you can save a lot of money using UBuildIt over a general contractor, correct? What kind of savings are we looking at?
Absolutely. We really see that, for a UBuildIt remodel, you could save 20, possibly even 30%, just because, typically general contractors will charge more for a remodel just because there's more to it. So if you have a good, reputable general contractor that knows about remodels, he's going to typically charge 25, maybe even 30%.
And with a remodel like this, why does it make sense for someone to kind of do it themselves? Why is that a good option for people?
Well, it's just one of those things that it just kind of makes sense, especially, with a remodel, you're living there. In most cases, and so you're going to be involved in it just because it's when you wake up every morning, you're in it, and so you're going to be involved. You're going to want to know what's going on every day, and so just adding a few extra steps in that, probably about 8 to 10 hours a week, do more time than what you're already doing by just making some phone calls, writing some checks. That's what it takes to really manage the project, and then with that we see some creativity come out, people being able to do some things that maybe they've always thought they wanted to do but just didn't think they could do financially. So that's a really neat thing that we get to see as well.
Well, it's a great option for people who want to do a big remodel. It's something that a lot of people don't even know exists. So if you're looking at doing a big remodel, you want more information about Frank, his team, the UBuildIt system, go to our website, thipro.com/UBuildIt, give them a call, send them a message, and they'll get in touch with you.